Hey Kipsters, Miss Schultz here. Happy Thursday. I love seeing you all dressed up as superheroes. You guys are absolutely rocking it today. Today for CGI, we're going to start, as always, by going over the problem we ended with last time, and then we're going to jump into a new problem. I'm going to read it to you and show you how I solved it. Caden has 52 puzzle pieces. Nevaeh has 27 puzzle pieces. How many more puzzle pieces does Caden have than Nevaeh? I chose to compare the two numbers by doing subtraction. So I drew out my larger number. I drew out 52, and then I took away 27. I started with my tens, and I took away 2 tens for 20, and then I needed to take away 7. But there were only 2 ones, so I took those away, and I knew I needed to still take away 5 more ones, so I took those off the 10, took away 5. That left me with 2 tens and a 5. 10, 20, 25. So I know that 52 minus 27 equals 25. Give me a big brain match if you got that same answer. Wow, guys, really nice job. We are going to jump into a new problem for today, and I am so excited to tell you about it. You guys, since we've been working and learning at home, I've discovered so many snacks that I want to eat in my house. And lately, my favorite snack has been goldfish. Give me a brain match if you also love goldfish. So I was talking to Kaylee and Emil, and they both told me that they've been eating goldfish as well in their houses. Kaylee told me that she ate 75 goldfish crackers as a snack one day. And Emil told me that she ate 46 goldfish crackers as a snack the other day. Now, I already know that Kaylee ate more goldfish crackers than Emil, but what I want to find out is how many more goldfish crackers did Kaylee eat than Emil? Let's read that problem twice, and then you are going to tell it to me. Kaylee has 75 goldfish crackers. Emil has 46 goldfish crackers. How many more goldfish crackers does Kaylee have than Emil? Let's read it one more time. Kaylee has 75 goldfish crackers. Emil has 46 goldfish crackers. How many more crackers does Kaylee have than Emil? Let's cover it up and see if you can tell it to me. All right, Kipsters, your turn. Tell it to me nice and loud. Great job. You know that story so well. Before we get started, I have a question for you. We're going to think about what are we actually trying to find out? What are we trying to answer? We know that Kaylee has more goldfish crackers. We know 75 is larger than 46. So what we're trying to find out today is we're trying to compare those numbers and see how many more Kaylee has than Emil. We're trying to compare them and see how many more Kaylee has than Emil. Your 4 minutes are about to start. Get your paper and pencil ready. Show me your work neat and organized. Label and write a number sentence. Give me a big thumbs up if you're ready to go. 4 minutes on the timer. Go ahead and get started. Great job, Kipsters. I can already see your neat and organized work. Don't forget to label all the parts of your problem. Looking good, Kipsters. Keep it up. Don't forget to write a number sentence. Keep it up, Kipsters, neat and organized. Just about 1 minute left. Make sure you have labels and a number sentence. Almost ready to help me solve the problem. $30 left. Make sure you're ready to go. All right, Kipsters, I am going to show you 2 ways that I chose to solve this problem today. The first strategy that I'm going to use is subtraction. I'm going to take my larger number, I'm going to subtract my smaller number away from that to find the difference in between them. That's one way that we compare numbers. Let me get out my cubes and show you how I did it. I'm going to start with my larger number of 75. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great. I have 75 cubes here. Now I'm going to take away 46. I'm going to subtract 46 cubes. Let's start with 10s. Take away 10. Take away another 10. That's 20. Take away another 10. That's 30. Take away another 10. That's 40. I took away 40 of my 46. Now I need to take away 6 ones. But, I only have 5 ones to use. That means I'm going to have to take some from a 10. So I'm going to take away 5 ones and 1 more. That means that I have 10, 20, and 9 more makes 29 as my answer. Let me show you how I would draw that out on my paper. All right. I started with my drawing of 75. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 75. Same as I did with my cubes, I'm going to start by taking away 4 10s. 10, 20, 30, 40. Same problem. I need to take away 6 ones, but I only have 5 ones. Take away those. I'm going to take 1 off the top. That means I have 9 left. So I have 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. I know that 75 minus 46 equals 29. Awesome, Kipsters. The second way that I'm going to show you how to solve this problem is a little bit different. I'm actually going to add up from my smaller number and try to get to my bigger number. So I'm going to start with my cubes, and I'm going to start with 46 cubes, and then I'm going to add up until I get to 75 as my total and see how many I needed to add. Get ready to help me with that. So I'm going to start by fixing my cubes up. So I have a 10, 20, 30, 40, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Great. We're going to start with 46. Now I need to add up to get to 75. I'm going to use that same strategy that I've been using of decade counting by adding on tens. Keep the number 46 in your head. You got it? Okay, me too. 46. Let's add some tens. 46. 56. 66. I'm going to add a 10. Gets me to 76. Oh, wait, you're right. That's too many. I can't add another 10. Let's add ones until we get to the right number. So I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 66. I have 66. 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75. Nice, 75 cubes. Same as before, I needed to add 29 cubes to my 46 to get to 75. Let's see how we would draw that on the paper. So this is my strategy of adding up to get to my bigger number. So I started with 46. 10, 20, 30, 46. And then I decade counted to get to my bigger number. So 46, 56, 66. And then remember, we couldn't add another 10 because that was too many. So now we're going to count. 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75. And I needed to add 10, 20, and this was 9 altogether. So same thing. I needed to add 29 to get there. Let's write a number sentence that matches that. 46 plus 29 equals 75. Great job, Kipsters. Those were two very different ways to get to that same answer. To know that Kaylee had 29 more goldfish than Emil did. Really great job. As always, we're going to look at one last problem that you are going to solve right on your own. All right. Ray has 45 fruit snacks. Joe has 27 fruit snacks. How many more fruit snacks does Ray have than Joe? I'll read it one more time for you. Ray has 45 fruit snacks. Joe has 27 fruit snacks. How many more fruit snacks does Ray have than Joe? I'm going to leave this up for you for 1 minute to take a look at. Tomorrow, we will start off by solving the same problem together and then jumping into new CGI problems. Great job, Kipsters. Keep it up.